much. Clearly, we were only pretending to be finished. And this next song we're going to do is a very melancholy song. Kind of a downer, frankly. And it's designed to be a downer at this point in the show, so if you would kindly just shut the fuck up for the next 4 minutes. Oh! Getting ballsy. All right, here we go. Never forget the first time we met on the beach by the sea. I just opened my eyes, voila, a surprise. You were looking at me. And I wish I owned a heart of stone. And I knew it was over then. I knew that I was through. You don't have to believe me, still I know it's true. And when you go and I'm all alone, I wish I owned that heart of stone. I was taken aback. I was thrown off my track by your beauty and joy. Well, the wind blew your hair, and I just lay there and stare like a stupid school boy. And I wish laid so many plans about the places we'd go. But the years quickly passed, and when it came to the last, we never left home. And now we are old, both our stories are told. And as we wait for the end, well, if you're first to go, I will promise you no, that my heart will not mend. And I wish I owned a heart of stone. And I knew it was over then. I knew that I was through. You don't have to believe me, still